Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Windows XP style card. What this will be, it's basically going to be a reference to the default background as they call wallpaper. It's not going to be exact. I can't do exact for copyright reasons, but it's going to be close. So here's what you're going to need. Like always, you're going to need a sheet of cardstock. You're going to need a light blue, not turquoise, light blue pencil. And you're going to need a light green pencil as well. Do not use dark green because it will come very, very close to it, and I don't want to do that. So, like all the other cards here, I am going to fold this over. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do basically what would be the grass first. So watch how I do this. I go here. So it's not exact. Then what you do is you just so now you got the grass. And I did more of kind of a cliff than a hill, so that would be different. Now you take the light blue pencil. There we go. So the front is done. The thing is the original has clouds. This will not have clouds because I want to stay away from having it look too close. Turn it over. And I'm going to use the same, actually I won't do that. I'll grab the black pencil here. There we go. Now I'm going to do a barcode. There we go. And as kind of a joke, I did a version that came out in 2002. So I have all my stuff here, barcode, and there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.